guys think? No. I'm done. Listen, I'm done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm saying this. It's been almost, not quite, but almost 1 year since I last posted. I decided to take a break from YouTube. You guys know how YouTube is. It is stressful. You need to be consistent, and there's so many things you have to do behind what you guys get to see. See these hair videos or any video at all. You guys will be watching it for like what? 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, maybe 30, up to 30 if it's a vlog. It takes us a lifetime to actually film, so it's not been the easiest, and I just needed a break. However, I've had that break and I am back. But I'm only back to be doing makeup tutorials and hair videos. Hopefully also some chit chat and maybe advice, and we'll see where things takes us. For today anyway, I don't want this intro to be long, but I had to come with an intro because I haven't seen you guys in such a long time. I'm happy to be back, and I'm back with Geniuswigs. So Geniuswigs have sent me this lovely 14-inch hair. So it's a versatile wig. It's a 14-inch bob hair, and this is 180 density. When it's dry or when you straighten it, it basically becomes like a kinky straight hair. Once you've wet it, it becomes a curly hair. Guys, you will see throughout this video how gassed and shocked I am. This hair is mwah, mwah, mwah. I love it. Anyway, I'm not gonna keep you guys for long. If you guys want to see more of me with more content, don't forget to subscribe, share my videos, like them, repost them, and turn on that notification bell, okay? To learn how I installed and styled this hair, continue watching. Geniuswigs is the company I will be collaborating with today, and let's see what we've got. So opening this box, we've got the wig. Inside of it we've got a headband, a clip, and then I have an edge control brush and also an elastic band to fit the wig, which I barely use anyway, so that's fine. So guys, this wig is a crystal lace wig, and I like the fact that it is versatile, so you can wear it in 2 different ways. It comes naturally as kinky straight, and then once you wet it, it goes to a curly hair. How exciting. So you get 2 in 1 basically. So this one is a transparent lace, so it's slightly white at this moment, and this one is a crystal lace, so you can see a crystal lace is even better. Do you see that compared to a transparent lace? I'll show you the difference. We've got transparent here and crystal here. Can you guys see the difference? So obviously crystal lace is better, and that's the one I've got today, so I'm excited to show you guys. Listen, I love kinky textures. They look like Afro-Caribbean hairs, and that's what I like. And guys, oh my god, look at that hairline. You guys know how excited I get like just talking about hair. You guys know me anyway. I like a good hair. Look at the hairline. Okay, Geniuswigs, you guys are being genius on me right now. So this is the hairline, and obviously it came pre-plucked and it also came pre-bleached. So today I don't need to do anything. Just take the wig out of the box and just slap it on. How easy is that? So they're trying to make everything easy for people nowadays, so people don't need to struggle. The wig already comes with a strap, and this strap is like a brass strap. So what this means is that you can adjust the elastic band just according to your head size. So it fits all head sizes, so you can just adjust this. It's already like sewn on the other side, so you just take this, just like bras. Even men knows how to put this on, but yeah, I'm just saying. So you just clip this on, and that's it. The elastic band is just adjusted. See, like the ball cap that I've got underneath is a bit light, but it is good for me to just show you, so I can come close. You guys can take a look at this hairline. You guys see that? So this is a crystal lace. I'm just trying to introduce crystal lace to you guys so you guys know. So just to let you guys know, the specs of a crystal lace is that it lays flat and it's more undetectable, so it totally matches your skin tone. So this lace has been carefully selected by Geniuswigs, so this is amazing. So it's less obvious knots as well. Can you guys see the knots? They're like, it's like it's just growing from my scalp. Like, it's also soft and it's ventilated, it's see-through as well, so that's really good. The small knots that you get from the hair, it just mimics like your real scalp, and I like that. So I'm gonna take the ball cap off. See, like me personally, I hate wearing ball caps and stuff. I don't waste my time with ball caps. Listen, this wig is literally sitting and fitting without even any glue. You can also wear this like glueless, and just look at the hairline. The hair itself is really soft. I really like it. I really like it. The cap is not big because my head size is like really small, so I hate dealing with like big caps and stuff. Before I go ahead to cut the lace, I just want to make sure that I'm putting this hairline together.
Don't even talk to me. I had to tell myself don't leave.
Do you know what makes me happy about this is the fact that I don't need to do anything. You guys don't even understand how much I hate bleaching, how much I hate plucking knots. This is like a go-to for me. Like, it's just bam, get ready in just, you know, few minutes, maximum 20-30 minutes, and you're just out the house looking like a goddess as well. The hair wax I'm gonna use today is by JDD Hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and press on this. Like, just look at this. Honestly, I'm nah.
Not even capable to feel us. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to peace?
So guys, this is just me cutting the lace and without gluing it. So this can be worn glueless. Obviously the air flaps are always gonna stand. If you want to glue that, that's fine. Otherwise you can always just cover it up. So next, to just secure the wig a little bit better and also make the lace even more transparent, the crystal lace, I am going to go ahead and use my got2b glue to just secure that. And I'm just spraying like a little amount. I'm not overdoing it.
You're the only one I think about, yeah. You're the only one for me. The only one I care about, yeah.
Okay, this is this part like flat ironed and just styled to the T. Okay, I don't want to be putting any baby hairs out, so I'm just leaving my hairline just the way it is, and it looks so pretty, so natural. I'm just gonna come close so you guys can see.
Let's go and we can fly away. We're taking off to the sky.
And you guys can just see how amazing that looks. The hair, again, it feels really nice and it's soft. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna show you how you can rock this hair in two different ways. You can have it curly or you can have it as kinky straight. I'm gonna spray some water, so I've got my water bottle here, and I'm just gonna wet this part.
I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah.
Nah, is this some kind of joke or what? You know what? I'm a sucker for curly hair. Just look at this. I've literally just applied water on it, guys. Just water. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, no. Listen, hair is starting to feel like technology. You know how technology just upgrades? I feel like the same thing is happening to hairstyles and stuff. This is amazing. And the fact that you can have two wigs in one. Two wigs in one. The fact that you can have two wigs in one. No. Yeah. No, yeah. What? I haven't put any products in it. No curling product whatsoever. No curling activator. Nothing. Just water. Yeah, definitely. Look at that. Nah, this is beautiful. I really like it. Which one was your favorite? So comment in the section down below. Tell me what side you guys liked. Did you like the curly hair best? Or did you like the straight kinky one? This one is cute as well, you know, when you're running errands or whatever, you know, you want to look cute and all. But if you want to look extra cute, damn, for me anyway, this is the style for me. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna take this by our leave-in conditioner, and this activates curl and all of that, just to keep the curls even like locked. I'm gonna lock the curls with this activator. Just gonna put a good amount onto it. Me, I like wet look. Like, I like when something looks wet. I don't even like, I don't mind bushy curls and stuff, but I prefer it when it looks wet. Even when it's dry, like, let it look wet. Yeah, what do you guys think? No. I'm done. Listen, I'm done. Listen, Geniuswigs, I'm gonna like look for more wigs. I'm definitely collaborating with this company again, 100%. I'm definitely doing their hair reviews. Listen, for me, if a hair is not good and I'm filming it, I'm not gonna sit here and like promote it. I'm gonna tell you straight up. I know I've got other companies that's been my fave when it comes to like hairs and stuff, but Geniuswigs, you guys are killing it. Honestly, you guys are killing it. Now this was amazing. Just look at that curls. Like it's a bob curl, like blunt cut curl. Yes, honey. Should we go ahead and just do this side as well? Obviously, I'm not gonna walk around looking like this, even though I really like the fact that it is amazing to just see the difference. But I'm just gonna go ahead and wet this side as well, and I should be back shortly.
Makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me. What if I said I'm sorry?
Okay guys, so this was just the final results of the hair. Absolutely love this hair. I definitely recommend Geniuswigs for your hair company. They did such an amazing job with this crystal lace. Crystal lace is obviously looking crystal. You can't even recognize. And for me, is the hairline. Like, the hairline, guys, is the hairline. Like, I love it. I really like this wig. You can just tell like the wig game has just like upped. I will be coming back with more wig videos, more hair tutorials, hopefully makeup tutorials, obviously chit chat as usual, and more fun videos. Videos that I know you will be learning from. I will be recommending different hair providers for you guys, and this is all to just help you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and also turn on your notifications for when I upload video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.